So as usual, I am taking the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. Now I'm going in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and I will be putting this on my lids and like below my brows as a base. Like so, and I will be going in directly with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is in Bright. And I will be going in with this blue color, and I'm applying it all over my lid, as I have done with like all of my latest looks. Next, I'm grabbing a blending brush from Real Techniques, and I will blend the edges out. And I think for eyeliner, I'm going in with the one eyeliner, what's it called? Eyeliner Stylo. There we go. Eyeliner Stylo Jumbo? Is that what it's called? It is a very large eyeliner tip, so we'll see if I'm able to pull this off, but anyways, let's just go ahead and try. So it's super hard doing a thin eyeliner with this because it's so big. But anyways, this will have to do. Next, I'm going in with the Big Eyes Liner from Maybelline. And I'm putting the black side on my upper lash line. Well, in my upper waterline. Next, I'm going in with mascara, and like last time, I'm taking the Icona Milano Emotion Allowed mascara. Next, I'm going in with foundation, and like last time, I'm taking the Ordinary foundation. No, the Coverage foundation from the Ordinary. Now I'm going back in with that HD Studio Photogenic Concealer from NYX. As usual, I am taking the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. Now I'm going back in with the Ultimate Shadow Palette from NYX and back in with the blue color, and I will be putting this below my lower lash line. And I'm going back in with the Big Eyes Liner, but this time I'm taking the white side and I'm putting this on my lower waterline. I think I'm gonna go in with this lighter blue right here, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. And I'm putting the same mascara on my lower lashes. And now I'm just gonna go in with the clear water resistant eyebrow gel from the Browgal. There we go. And now I'm taking the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. There we go. And I will be doing the rest of my face with this. So as usual, I'm taking the colors Maffei and Cigar for bronzing / contouring. And for blush, I'm going in with Andromeda, just this one. And for highlight, I'm going in with the color Milky Way. And for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is in the color Honeymoon. So I will be putting on my lashes and then I'll be done. And today I am taking the $1 Million Baby Lashes from Rebecca Stella Makeup. So I will put these on and then I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. As you've probably noticed by now, I really like doing monotone eyes. Just basically putting the same color all over and then calling it done. I can't say why I like this, but I just do. I think it's, I don't know. First of all, it is very simple to do, but I don't see that as I don't see that as something bad. I see that actually as something positive, because makeup isn't supposed to be hard. It's just supposed to be fun. And that's the second thing about it. I think that it's super fun just going with one color all over. And third, I think that it's super pretty. Like, yeah, we all have different preferences, and doing basically one colored eyes is a preference of mine. I enjoy it a lot. My cat is all over the camera right now. But anyways, like I said, this is the finished look, and I hope that you enjoyed it a lot. I know I do. This is super pretty according to me, so yeah. But anyways, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and to leave a comment saying what you want to see. Oh my god, don't lick it. Or leave a comment saying what you want to see next time, or what you thought about this tutorial. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.